Welcome to the celebration of 25 years of excellence at Honda South Carolina Manufacturing, SCM, in Timmonsville. Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover the incredible milestones achieved by Honda and the dedicated associates who made it all possible. Honda's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in every powersports product they create. Since 1998, the skilled associates at SCM have produced over 4 million world-class powersports products, solidifying their position as the exclusive global production facility for Honda side-by-side vehicles. To mark this momentous occasion, Noriya Kaihara, President and CEO of American Honda Motor Company, Inc., and the Chief Officer of Honda North America Regional Operations, joined SCM associates for a special tree planting ceremony. This symbolizes SCM's continued growth in the state of South Carolina and their commitment to the local community through charitable contributions. Governor Henry McMaster, Honda's presence in South Carolina has brought valuable economic opportunities and strengthened our reputation as an automotive industry leader. We celebrate Honda's commitment to our state and look forward to many more years of partnership. Over the years, Honda has continuously evolved its operations to meet the demands of their powersports customers. Their dedication led to the expansion of side-by-side production, including the popular Pioneer Series and Talon sports models, to meet the growing customer demand. This month, Honda will transfer ATV production to Honda North Carolina Manufacturing, NCM, to focus on accelerating SCM's shift to side-by-side production. As we celebrate the 25th anniversary of production at Honda South Carolina Manufacturing, we extend our gratitude to our loyal customers, business partners, and the people of South Carolina. It is your support that drives us to innovate and create extraordinary powersports products. Throughout the week-long celebration, Honda associates at SCM have been treated to special activities and events to honor their remarkable achievements. We are proud of the hard work and dedication displayed by each and every associate. As part of their ongoing commitment to the local community, Honda has made charitable contributions to various South Carolina programs and organizations, supporting education and development initiatives. We believe in giving back and empowering the community that has embraced us for 25 years. Earlier this month, Honda hosted a South Carolina stop on the Honda Engineering Roadshow, inspiring and educating youth about STEM careers. Together with local organizations, Honda distributed STEM kits, sparking curiosity and passion for engineering in young minds. Today, we celebrate the accomplishments of Honda South Carolina Manufacturing and the associates who have played a vital role in our success. The journey doesn't end here. We're excited about the future of powersports manufacturing in Timmonsville, and we're committed to continuing our legacy of excellence. Thank you for joining us in celebrating 25 years of Honda South Carolina Manufacturing. Here's to the next 25 years of innovation, passion, and dedication. Honda, empowering dreams for generations to come.